outside. This road is a mess. We are going over to North San Juan. I'm going to go check out the covered bridge over the Oregon Creek and get on Allegheny Ridge Road and just kind of do a quick... Oh, that was it. Short and sweet. Just do a quick loop. 80, 20, 49, yeah. It's another gorgeous day here in spring of the Sierra Nevada. Why? I just decided to stay on Highway 40 after I left Donner Pass Road. Why not? And I saw a sneaky place where CHP hangs out. Haha. San Juan, about 16 miles, and hopefully I'm ahead of traffic, so I can just have open road. Because I hit timber in the head. Sorry, buddy. Nobody's behind me. Anybody coming? Nope. Oh, it's a dirt road. Okay. Well, hey, whatever. I can deal with that. Well, that was fun. So if I looked at the map correctly, when Allegheny ended, I should have made a right-hand turn, and it would take me back to Comptonville, I think. So I made a right as soon as pavement showed up, but now I'm kind of wondering, am I back on 49? Or should I need a left? I don't know. We will find out. Because if I end up back in North San Juan... Boy, these are tight. These days I will go down that way. There's one curve that's a little too tight for the flow that I'm in, and it throws me unless I pay attention. Because it's like, oh crap, that's tighter than it's been. But I think that was it. Yuba Pass, elevation 6,701. I wasn't sure which way I wanted to go out of Sierraville, whether I wanted to go straight, then over to Loyalton, over Hallelujah Junction and that, but it's like, yeah, that's kind of straight. And plus, I like Sierra Valley. It's a very pretty valley, but it's a very big valley. And the road between Loyalton and Sierraville is long and flat and straight and boring. So the other option was to turn and go up to Truckee and then figure out where to go from there. So as you can see by the fact that there are curves, I decided to turn and go to Truckee. And now I'm looking at this giant cloud in front of me, wondering if I have made a mistake. I don't care if it is Sunday. I don't want this day to end. And plus, Icky Cloud is over there. No cloud is over there. Tahoe, here we go. Holy Tahoe. Welcome to Carson City. And I didn't get rained on. Take that, storm.